Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Children, today we are going to make a balloon powered car. We are going to make a real working model car like this. Can you see? We are going to make a working model car out of waste materials. For this we need craft papers, balloon, a rubber band, scissor, marker, strong glue, bottle caps, chopsticks, straw, waste cardboard. This one I got inside a shirt. While we are getting a shirt, we can see this cardboard, or you can use this brown cardboard also. Then we need waste boxes like this. Okay, this is a soap box. You can use any kind of box. I here used 3 boxes. First you have to glue 2 boxes together. Then take the 3rd box and draw lines on this. You have to draw 2 parallel lines on this, and you have to draw slanting lines also like this, just to give shape of the car. Then you have to cut along the lines. This is just to give the shape of the car. Then we are going to cut cardboard piece for that opening and going to glue. First draw the lines, cut along the lines. Then place it on the top. You have to take 2 cardboard pieces, size of this opening, then glue it. Now wrap it with craft paper. Now take a straw. Listen children, take a straw. You have to measure the width of this box. Width of your box, what box you are taking, you have to measure the bottom of the box. Then you have to cut the straw. Like that we will need 2 pieces. Then you have to glue here. Okay. The 2 straws should be parallel to each other and parallel to the sides. Then only the car will move smoothly. So note that they must be parallel to each other. Then take a chopstick, or we can use empty refill also. The point is it should move or rotate freely inside this straw. Like this it should rotate freely. This acts as axle. Now measurement for the chopstick is, already we have glued this straw. Now you have to keep what bottle cap you are using, measure that height of the bottle cap, then bottom of this box, and again this side also you have to measure the height of the bottle cap. Then you have to mark that point and cut along that point. Just press the chopstick, then you can get the chopstick pieces. Like that we will need 2 pieces. Now take 4 bottle caps and 4 circle pieces of cardboard. This is just to give support to the chopstick. Like this we are going to do. You have to take small pieces, small circles of cardboard, use a thumb pin, then make a hole in the center. Make a hole in the center, then pass the chopstick through the center, okay, like this. So, make a hole. Children, be careful while using scissors or the thumbnails. You should do or use these materials under parent supervision only. Now, pass through the chopstick. Then, take the bottle cap. Like this you have to keep. You have to glue here and glue this to the bottle cap. Let it dry for at least 10 minutes. Like this, first you make 2 wheels. It has to dry properly, children. Glue gun also you can use. This cardboard is just to give support to the stick. Now, pass the wheel through the straw like this. Then you have to insert another piece of cardboard. Then again you have to apply glue this side and you have to glue it to the bottle cap. Again you apply glue here, glue it to the wheel. Like that, fix the other wheel also. Now the wheels are ready. Now take 2 pieces of straw, glue them together. Now you have to take the straw, you have to attach balloon. You have to attach balloon through this using a rubber band. See children? Attach balloon to the straws using rubber band, then glue it to the top of the car. It has to dry completely. Then blow air through this opening. Then you have to immediately close this opening with your finger. Then you have to slightly release your finger. The car will move. See children? Yes. I will show you another model. Here I have used only one box and instead of bottle caps, I have used just cardboard. So, instead of cap, I have used just cardboard, but the edges should be smooth, then only it can run. If the cardboard is thin, take 2 pieces of cardboard, glue them together to give thickness. Like this you have to make 4 wheels. Then other procedures are same. You have to pass the stick through here, you have to glue, but for this you have to glue both the sides because we are using just cardboard. So you have to glue both the sides. Then our car is ready. Yes. Do you enjoy children? Our car is ready. To get our online lessons and the latest updates, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.